If you recently broke your side view mirror while you're driving, here's a quick way you can solve this issue. Now you can do this for any vehicle pretty much. This one's for Chevy Silverado 2020. So let's replace this mirror now. So while we're waiting for the mirror to arrive, we'll fix the back panel first. First, you want to line up your tabs. This one's kind of crooked. It's kind of bent. So re-straighten it so it slides into the holes like so. So for this one, it seems like there's two hook points that slide in here and here. And that should do it. These clips seem okay, but to get into these holes, except for this one that just keeps bending, so I might have to clip this one off. Okay, that's clipped. Okay, so that seemed to have done the trick. The cover is back on now. So new glass is in now. Looks fresh, better. And the way to take out the glass is you just take one of these panel tools right here and you just pry out around the edges and your broken glass will come out real easy. And to reinstall, you just line up the glass in the back with the clip points, and it clips in real easy as well. So as long as you're gentle with it, it goes in and it stays there for good. So this is a better method than replacing the entire assembly, which cost you much more, which is just to replace the glass if it's damaged next time. So if you need some side view mirror glass, I'll leave a link down below. So I hope that helped. Automotive for Beginners, we out.